so that you should not be knocking the door for dialogue and there's no dialogue. That's what God told me. I keep saying it. I said there is a spirit in this young man. It is bigger than what physical eye can see.
Hey, boy.
I'm not an Igbo man, I'm a Yoruba man, but I'm speaking as a prophet. I said what I see in this young man is bigger than him. You see the man, the small boy that they call him, what is inside him is it's not just an ideology. It's bigger. I said, I see an animal. Which animal did I tell you last time? Huh? I said what? A what? A what? A small puppy. And I say, I see a small puppy. I saw so many strange wild animals. Lion, here. Great animals around the puppy. Then I saw the puppy look back and saw that the animals around him are so many. Suddenly the puppy, what I saw last month, is different from what I'm seeing now. The puppy is developing some futures of wild animals. This prophetic word is not the negative. It's very important. Take the Biafra agitation serious. Dialogue now. I see a time. Doors are knocked. Calls are made. People who are heading are saying we have come down, but these people are not willing to dialogue again. Please, redeeming the time, for the days are evil. Dialogue now. Dialogue now. I repeat it again. I'm not an evil man, but I'm telling you what I'm shown in the spirit. What? I'm saying great people, important people in this nation coming together and saying now, okay, we want to sit on the table, let us talk. But the people you want to talk, we are saying is too late.
Mom. Hey.
Dialogue now.
Mom.
Dialogue now. This is not a cry of a baby. It's a cry of an adult. I repeat it again. Dialogue now. The Bible says, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. Please, every authority, there come a time when a revolution is about to take place. The power of God, bombs and bullets cannot hold an ideology. Please, dialogue now. This is not the time of I have bullets, I have God, I have. This has nothing to do with bullet and bomb. If you know what I'm seeing in the realm of the spirit, everyone in federal authority should take the Biafra agitation serious. If you are once a founding father of this nation, sit down around the table and listen to your children. Dialogue now.
Boom! Brother is here.
This is not the time to arrest anybody. It's the time to hear the cry of the people. Dialogue now. Because it's going to be the last resultant solution at the end. But when you are asking, when the king comes down from his throne and he's saying, I'm ready to talk, and everybody screams, no, then we know that he prestige, go out, and there's peace in life. Our nation, great nation like Zambia, great nation, wonderful nation, sat down to watch His Excellency, great man, Frederick Shilaba. Great man, who prayed and declared Zambia a Christian nation. 1993, when the national team crashed down, this man prayed. I have never seen such a president in Africa. Great man. We say Nelson Mandela is great, but that president is one president that every Christian should celebrate. Prayed in the national stadium, talking about how the national team crashed in Japan, and from there refused to fly, and how every of them that nation gathered, and this president was quoting the scripture, praying, and he broke into tears. Broke into tears, praying for the revival of Zambia. 19 and praying for the revival of Zambia, and the whole nations of Zambia, including the military officers, broke into tears when they saw their president crying from the heart of God. Zambia is a station, and I want to just call its authority. Some founding fathers have left all these principles. Honor these principles very much. And I'm saying it. Great man is Excellency Lungu. I've sat with him, I've prayed with him. Don't fear him, man. There are a lot of trust around you. They only want you to fail. They will thwart your government and they will criticize you at last. Those who are saying Hosanna to you now, they will soon say crucify you tomorrow. Don't let them push you for another 2021 election. Please deliver what you have now to the Zambia people and walk out with glory. I don't see another time for you. I've said this. I don't run after president. Give me money. I'm blessed. What am I looking for? I will say the truth. I will say the truth. Please. God, I've taken you there. Deliver what you have to do and take a bow and leave. I am troubled. Zambia is a peaceful place. Make it peaceful for the other regime. Whatever the opposition have done, leave it for God. Don't allow anybody to advise you to become something that you are not.
Sorry.
Follow him. Follow peace. When the king rules and the people rejoice, the righteous is on the throne. When the king rules and the people cry, then there is a mislead. Do not forget where you are coming from, how God took you there, and where you are. There is no need. The true test of your character is what you do when power is in your hands. Give Jesus a offering.